Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how or what is the shortcut on how you can move a line or paragraph up and down in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So open your Microsoft Word document. So I have this document from here, and let's take this second paragraph as an example. Okay, so in order to move this paragraph up and down, it's just very easy. You just need to press the Alt and Shift key on your keyboard. Again, it's Alt and Shift key, Alt and Shift key. And then you will notice the four arrows on the right pane. Simply choose the arrow up if you want to put this up. And that's it. You can see it. Now, if you want to put this down or drag this down as to anywhere you would want it to be, and there you go. As easy as that. So you just need to press Alt plus Shift and then arrow up and arrow down. If you want to put it up, choose arrow up. If you want to put it down, choose arrow down. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.